Conquer anxiety, empower yourself with awareness and support. Did you know? Anxiety affects millions worldwide, but there are ways to manage it. Symptoms: worrying, restlessness, irritability, difficulty concentrating, and more. Prevention: exercise, relaxation techniques, healthy diet, and sleep promote emotional well-being. Support: build a strong support system with loved ones, support groups, or professionals. Self-care: prioritize self-care for stress reduction and symptom relief. Impact: anxiety affects 284 million people worldwide. Let's raise awareness and offer support.